Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we'll move to the next segment. So, we're pressed for time, so we're just trying to rush up a few things, but I need us to really pay attention to this next segment. We're going to be having the startup and product showcase. This is where African AI moves from ideas to impact. Over the next 30 minutes, we'll see live demos from AI startups across entertainment, education, and productivity. Real products solving real problems. Now, our founders will also receive non-competitive mentorship and feedback from experienced tech and AI founders, enterprise engineers, and venture builders focused on growth, clarity, and scale. So today's featured products are Cori AI by Solomon Ayodele. Do we have Solomon Ayodele here, please? Or has he left us? Okay. Please come forward. Okay, we have My Sponsor by Gabriel Olo. Just come up on stage, please. And then we have College Scout by Finfolua. Please put your hands together for them. These are startup products. So we also have some mentors, who will be looking at this product in-depthly and also giving feedback. So we have La Banjoko. Please, can you come up to the table here so that you can see vividly what this startup founders are showing. We also have Larry Basmata. Please, can you move here, sir? From all of this. Something you did not know before that has... Okay, thank you.
Okay, so one thing I learned from one of the speakers was, he said something. He said, start, then master, then scale. I think instead of consistently contemplating on how am I going to release a perfect product, just start, then you master it, and then scale it.
Excellent. I think a lot of people learn on the job, so it's very important for you to just start. Many people are waiting for the perfect time before they build the right products, but I think that if many of the intelligent people that we have right now just go ahead and start up with the things that the ideas that they have, I think that we'll have real life solutions, solving real life problems. Okay, ma'am, please, you want to share with us something that you've learned today?
I learned building in space. Before, I always believed that whatever you're cooking, cook it in private, and when it's done, bring it out. But today, I learned that building in the space is better off because it's aids collaboration.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for that insight. Who else has something that they want to share with me? Or with us? Okay, media, are we ready? Hi, Grace.
Okay, one thing that I've learned today that I didn't know before was the Edge AI idea. I never knew someone could run AI locally without connecting to the internet or something. So yeah, that stood out for me.
Thank you so much. Do we have other people who want to share? Media, are we ready? Okay, who else has something to share with me? Okay, so while we wait, okay, we have somebody. Please tell us your name. I don't think I've been getting you guys' names.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Joseph. So one of the things I learned today is that you don't really have to reinvent the wheel. So if you have an idea and someone else has already built that, so what you need to do is just get the idea, make research on how you can improve it, try and understand the gaps that they leave, because every company always has gaps that they leave when building solutions. So try and understand what gaps they leave and try to build on that.
I love that. Thank you so much, Joseph. That was very insightful. Okay, since media is not ready for me yet, I need one person, one representative from this side and one representative from this side. 2 people. It could be any gender, don't worry, I don't care. Do we have 2 people come out? Can we have 2 people come out, please? I'm going to point somebody. Okay, thank you, sir. please join me on the stage? Okay, so do we have somebody from this side? We want to play charades. It promises to be fun. People are not hiding your face, so yeah, Grace, please come outside. So you're representing them, and then she's going to represent them. So please, don't let them down. Can you let us know your name?
Good afternoon. My name is Ezekiel.
I'm sorry?
My name is Ezekiel.
Hi, Ezekiel. Nice to meet you.
My name is Grace.
Hi, Grace. Nice to meet you. Okay, so give me a minute. This is not totally AI focused, but I'm going to be giving us some words, and then we demonstrate to our team, and we hope that they get it. If they don't get it, you people will go outside. Okay? Or no lunch for you. Okay, so the first word. Are we alive here? Are we ready for this? Are you ready to win this? I have Teslas and Cybertrucks parked outside, so please be ready to win them. Come on, make some noise if you're ready to win my Cybertrucks. Okay. Did you get the word? Okay. Please demonstrate to your team. Come like this. No, you can't. Like, you can't explain. Just demonstrate. So, who's going to be our timekeeper? You have 30 seconds, and your 30 seconds have started counting. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding. Now, let me demonstrate if you guys will get it. That was a drone. Drone. Do you see how easy that was? You just kept doing like this. It was. Okay, Ezekiel, let's get your. I will look for add one. Add one. Okay. Okay, that's correct. So 1 point for this group. Put your hands together for them. Don't be jealous. Okay, so the next word is. Okay. Somebody's begging me. Calm down. Did you get the word? Correct. Please put your hands together for them. The answer is TV, television. Mr. Ezekiel, your word is. Did you just mouth it? You cannot get it. You cannot get it. What did you say? What did you say? Okay, you didn't say anything. You didn't say anything. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding ding. Printer. The word is printer. That was a hard one, sir. Yeah. So how many points for this group? 1 point and then 1 point. Okay. So our next word is Yes, correct. The answer is mouse. Please put your hands together for group 1. So they have 2 points now, so do your team proud. If not, all of you, aside. Okay, so let me get our next word. Please, you should beg me to look for simple word for you. If not, say please. Ah, okay. Oh, yeah, nah. Oh, yeah. So people would not. What did she already said it? Cancelled. She said it. She said it. So I'm going to cancel it. You probably heard it. So I'm going to cancel it. Okay. Yes, self-driving. Ah, you people are brilliant. So, okay, so that's how many points now? 2 points for her and then 2 points for him. Okay, so one last round and then we'll determine who the winner is. Is media ready for me, please? Okay, so let's start with Grace. Your word is... Grace said Jesus. Just, you can do it. You can, I'm gonna give both of you. You can do it. You can do it. Just try. Just okay, let me try. Okay, he said ChatGPT. Okay, I give it to you. I give it to you. Okay, the next. This one will be too easy. There's nothing there, don't worry. You said Twitter, that's not the answer. That's not the answer. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. Wrong. So we have, okay, let me tell you the answer. No, like, if I had helped them, they won't have one, right? So the answer is, she said X, right? So you would have, so X, then you do other things, like maybe Instagram. So social media, that's the answer, actually. So not X. Why did you point the person? So the winner of our charades is Group 1, represented by Grace. Put your hands together for haters, haters. You should go outside. Oh yeah. Grace, please go outside and collect your cyber truck, please. All right, so we're ready. So the first product that's going to be showcased is College Scouts.
My best friend waited 5 years before getting admission. See, meet Princess. So Princess, like every other Nigerian, had big dreams. She wanted to study medicine in the university. And so on her first attempt out of school, she wrote JAM, had great scores in YX, so she wrote JAM, and she scored 278. She didn't get in. And then she wrote JAM again. This time, she scored 303, but she still didn't get in. She thought, if I can work a little harder, I may get in. So she wrote JAM again, and she had 323, and she didn't get in. The fourth time, she didn't get in. And the fifth time, she scored 347, and she finally got in. Next slide. You see, it's not just her. Millions of young Nigerians are stuck in this loop of rejection. In fact, over the last 5 years, 6 million students have failed to secure admissions into higher education in Nigeria. The problem is, these students, after a while, they give up and they silently disappear from the system. I know what a lot of you are thinking. The problem is supply. Build more schools. But that isn't exactly the problem. The real problem, and probably we're not disputing supply problem, but we're arguing that the real problem, even a bigger problem, is this concept called information asymmetry, which is a lack of information. Back. So you see, schools have all this information. Their real criteria, their open seats, their admission rates. They know that there are only 50 slots in geology. Meanwhile, there are 350 for business admin. But students are actually guessing and flying blind. A policy report by JAM in 2024 showed that over 900 quotas of university seats were unused. 900. How many got admission that year? Only 639,000. Next. And if you argue that, oh, it's a supply problem, create more schools. Well, thanks to our government, nobody's creating any new schools for the next 7 years. You see, in Africa, gross enrollment ratio sits at 10%. That's a fancy term to tell you that for every one student in university, colleges of education, polytechnics, there are 9 students of the same age range out of school. And in the West, we may argue that what's the ROI of higher education? Don't get a degree, just get a job at Tesla. You are good at coding. But in Africa, the realities are starkly different. In Africa, higher education is the strongest predictor whether a young person escapes poverty or remains trapped in it. Introducing College Scout. We built College Scout to solve this problem by helping students connect to institutions and pathways that match their unique profile instantly. So life without College Scout still goes like this. Students want to go to higher education, so they search for schools blindly. They listen to what their friends are saying, what's the trending school, and what their parents are saying. And then they apply to oversubscribed schools. You know, the Unilag, Unilorin, OAU. Who else has been on that boat? And then they hope for the best. And hope, frankly, isn't a good enough strategy. With College Scout, we flip the dynamic. On College Scout, you can find schools where you truly qualify, where you meet the right admission criteria, and you don't get knocked off by technical disqualifications. Our algorithm matches you to the right institutions, whether it be a polytechnic for your score, a college of education, or a college of health, and then you can apply with confidence. I'll make a point on this. Do you know that the RON, the registered nurse qualification, which you can get in the university, in a BSc degree, or you could get at a college of health, is the same RON, registered nurse qualification that you can use to jackpot. So why are you struggling for university? We are replacing an outdated model where students search and apply for institutions with an instant matching system. This is the AI part, where students are matched instantly to programs that they qualify for and have a real shot at guaranteed admissions. And we don't just stop there. We went all the way to say, can we partner with schools so that beyond students searching for schools, schools can reach out to students. So you don't just discover colleges on College Scout, colleges discover you, giving students a real shot at guaranteed admissions and real outcomes. And we're gaining market traction. We have over 1,000 students have used College Scout, and we have partnered with 2 institutions. And that's the bigger part, because universities, colleges move slowly, but we are able to secure partners showing the real market need and that everyone is feeling this pain. We've been backed by global institutions, the NASDAQ Entrepreneurial Center, Microsoft Startups, and yes, that's me on NASDAQ tour side, Times Square, New York. If it easy, run now. And so we have the team to solve this problem. Our education consultant, Jesse Bogo, our product manager that brings product insights, and myself, a first-class graduate in electrical engineering and a 5-year software engineer. So let me bring it home. By 2050, Africa would have the largest youthful population globally. 1 in 3 persons globally, young persons, will be African. Will they be educated and participate in the global workforce, or will they be left behind?
1 minute
College
more.
Scout is the infrastructure to ensure that the answer is educated. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We'll now have Solomon Ayodele present to us Corey AI. Please have the mic. You have 5 minutes.
Okay, so I think can we get this? We are trying to convince them that, okay, it's good that you guys are using them. At least now you appreciate what we are building. And one of the ways we got our partnerships. So I'm going to try to sign in here so that we can see the tool at work, so that while it's generating, okay, sorry. And then, sorry, where's your hash? Okay, just this, right? Shift. Okay. Okay, I think it's just. All right. So welcome to Corin AI. Don't mind us. It's just I usually call this one our first launch. It's our MVP. This is what we are using to test the market to see how people will appreciate it and all that. So